Before introducing project, I will introduce my team members. This is Sumit.
Hello.
And this is Durgesh.
Hello.
Hello, I'm Sohan.
We have taken one industrial requirement. In industries, we find that wherever there is a distance measurement or precise where the small motion need to detect, so that is in terms of millimeters. So here we find that there is a problem of sensor. Basically, the sensors are very costly. So here we begin with the sensor development, and the sensor we have developed using simple LDR and the LEDs. Now here this is the simplest sensor mechanism we developed. Here you can find that this is a pair of LED and the LDR. This is inside this enclosure. We are having black color, and at this end there is a white reflecting surface. So here we expect that the most of the light will reflect from that white surface. Reflected light we will sense on the LDR, and this change of the resistance from the LDR we will convert it into equivalent distance. But there are some non-linearities in this sensor, in the response of this sensor. So here, for processing this type of data, we need to have a processor which is having analog to digital converter. Another aspect of this project is that we want to have a predefined light intensity. So for that purpose we want some PWM output. So here we search for the architectures which are available. Currently we are working on 8051 AVR ARM PIC architectures, but suddenly we find that the Texa's instrument is having good processors. And again, another good aspect we find about this MSP430 series processor, that we are having that CC2500 wireless module which is directly connected to this. So as this application is in the industries, and the controls are from somewhere around 10 meters. So there, instead of putting wires, we thought of making this project wireless. These are the code which we have written. Now here we are having this hardware which is directly connected to computer through USB cable, and here we dump as this is from CCS, the program is running. Now these connections are made for connecting this sensor. Now here we have connected these wires to the analog to digital converter. This sensor, this analog input is coming to the processor. Processor is processing, and then it is sending data to the host. So here on this host computer we are getting that displacement in millimeter.
We will show you a working prototype of our project. So we will run our project from here. We will start debugging of our project, and the results we can see on the hyperterminal. So now I will show you a hyperterminal, and this is our result of our hyperterminal. This is our latest result. Now we will change our meter's displacement, our fixed shaft, and this is our moving shaft. So now you can see the reading being shown is 2 mm. Now we will change the displacement again. So you can see it's almost 5 mm. So now you can see the current reading is 5 mm. Since it has gone through the 2 mm, 3 mm, 4 mm, hence those readings are also shown. Now we'll